Got $300 in. A minor drop earlier. Come on, one. Save it. Back to back. I don't see the bonus. Two more. Oh. Oh, look at those numbers. Man. That would have been good. Do it, man. You keep on teasing me. Like, give us good numbers, I was saying. Come on, man. Look at those. Just tease it. Come on, one bonus. Give us that major. We haven't hit a major for a while. Come on, this is the second time that minor. Do it, do it. Died out. Do it. Two more. I thought you got it. Put another 100 in, got the bonus. Let's see if we can drop a word. Oh, there was a mini. $1,000. That's it. Okay. Give us the 51 grand.
Give us one.
50. $300. Okay. We're even now. We're even. Nothing. There was some guy doing weird stuff.
One that's showing his face.
Do it. Come on, let's get the other bonus. Oh my god.
Do it.
Oh, I thought you got it, bro. Look at those numbers, bro. When it does that numbers and dies out. Can never land those big numbers.
Give us the bonus.
Do it.
One more.
I got it. Oh. Come on. It gets blocked all the time with the thing.
Bonus.
Yeah. Get out of here, man.
Second time now.
Minors, those.
One more.
Bonus. I was there.
Do it.
That's it. Let's see if those wilds show up now. 3 more. You could never get that. And it blocks it always. Nothing. Wow. Do it. Put 300 more, raise it to 25. Come on, Ward, minor. At least a mini. Ward. Any. Same thing as a 1250 bet. The other bonus. Three more. No way. Come on, man. What's up with all this big numbers not landing anything? Do that. scatter. You've been teasing us. Many of these. Anything. 25. Got the 4 scatter curse. Couldn't it be 5 at least? 2. 2! Oh my god. Richard here. Wow, bro. 4 scatter curse, nothing. Another 4 scatter bonus. Can we break the curse? Come on, all 2s, please. One time. Richard! Yes! Is that 6 games? Yeah, it is. But sometimes the Richarders are bad. Come on. Hold and spin. Oops. Wow. Can I stop the mini? Wow. Nothing. That's not even the line then. Down to 376 after that bad 4 scatter bonus. No. That's it. $250X ball. That's it. Now bonus. Or another good hold and spin. I wanted 5.
No, I didn't.
Come on, can we get one good this? Nope. That doesn't match. That's it? One more. Come on, bro. Wow. Major. Look at the major. It's at 8,000. At least a mini. Minor. Okay. 3 more. 1 more. 2 more. 1 more. Wow. Wow. Come on, one more before 25. Three more. Gotta come back. Come on. Don't die. Come on, one more bonus. Okay, 185. Now bonus. 3 more. Oh, that was a minor in there. Do it. Three more. Oh, wow, I thought we got it. I'm cashing out 25. Last spin. And then one more.